Hey y'all, getting a little down here on the creek. We're gonna fish a little bit. Ooh, this bank's pretty high here. And we're gonna try to ease over this way if we can. Hard to get down to the water. Hell, we made it down to the water. There he goes. There he goes. He likes the water. Oh man, he's gonna have to get back in my truck like that. Yeah, here. Oh man, what a pretty spot right there. Look at that. That's a fine place right there. So, I'm gonna put the camera right back over here and get my stuff. That'll be over your head. You get over there too far. Hello, buddy's having a time. Come on, little. Jump, boy. He can't make it. May help him. All right, now we're gonna set our basket. Little vine. Little vines. Getting them out. That's the hard part. Kind of hide down from the hounds, because he'll get them if I don't get my string out. All right, we got the basket set down in there. Got it tied off over. Now I want you to look at that stinking hound. That may help him get back up on the bank. Holy moly, what a muddy mess he is. Should have left him at home. Ain't no use wasting good hyenas. Come here, little. Little, come here. God, my hands are muddy. Oh, he loves that. That'd be it. We'll come back in after a while maybe and check it, see if we caught any minnows. Hey y'all, we back down here at the creek to see if we caught any minnows. There's old Little. I hope he don't get in the creek now and get muddy again. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got a few in there. Not too many, but a few. All right, we caught a few. We're gonna take them and dump them into this. I'm gonna put that down in here, in the bucket. Take our little bubbler, drop it down in there, give them a little bit of air. Hope too much of the water don't spill out on the way. All right, that's it. Take one more look at the little creek before we leave. Sure is a pretty little creek. We had to come back one day and walk it, me and Little. All right, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed the content, and I'll see you on the next one.